LiAuto reported their earnings earlier this week, and despite the company crushing earnings forecast for the second quarter and given better than expected guidance, the stock sold off. Investors may be spooked by news that China's national imports and exports both declined in July, alongside reports that manufacturing activity in the country has declined for the fourth straight month. However, that's not deterring Li from their delivery goals. They tripled the number of EVs it delivered in Q2 as compared to Q1. Li tripled the number of electric cars it delivered in Q2 as compared to Q2 of last year to 86,000 units. Let's listen into this quick video from Bloomberg as they discuss their deliveries and ambitions for their EV production.
Busy week in terms of earnings. We also got LiAuto reporting better than expected quarterly results. What are we expecting from this company going forward?
Yeah, LiAuto is the best of the three big EV upstarts in China. So they delivered a beat on revenue and net income. They also raised their revenue expectations. They expected to deliver potentially up to 33 billion yuan in the third quarter in revenue. Deliveries, though, they expect to see up to 103,000 EV units to be delivered in the third quarter. However, this is the thing that has disappointed analysts the most. For them being the strongest of the big three, they've been consistently growing month on month in sales, but they've still delivered a very, very conservative sales estimate, and that is what has caused the ADRs in New York overnight to fall almost 11% or around by 11%. So for a company which is seen as one of the strongest competitors to Tesla in China, particularly with its higher value, higher range, higher spec EVs. It seems a bit of a disappointment for investors. However, let's just point out that
coming from technode.com. China's LiAuto has revealed its ambitious goals to outsell well-established luxury car brands. We aim to become the #1 premium car brand in China in terms of sales by 2024, the CEO stated. When he told investors during the company's earnings call on August 8th, he added that the company is poised to obtain a monthly delivery rate of 40,000 units in the fourth quarter after boosting production capacity. In addition, the company also has plans to introduce 4 new models next year, with 3 of them being EVs. In the first 7 months of 2023, LiAuto delivered 173,000 vehicles, marking a 145% year-over-year increase. All right, so LiAuto has been one of those under-the-radar EV plays. However, some folks know about it, as the stock is up at least 200% since the November lows. However, price is now pulling back from hitting the previous all-time highs at 47.50. So the question is, if you want to get long, where would you go? Where would you get long at? What level? And you can see for the week, it's going to be a red week for LiAuto. However, price is right back at levels where we had previous pivots highs in July of 2022. When I look at the weekly chart and I go down and to the left, I see some potential levels of interest. So let's go to the daily chart. Right now, price is hovering right above the 26-day moving average. However, I think price is going to eventually fill this gap at 39.68. The red line represents the 50-day moving average, and I think that would be an opportunity to potentially go long. For sure, prices at least are going to pause in this level. Look at all this trading to the left. So let's put a line the 50-day at $37. I do want to scroll back up to the weekly to see where that's at. Okay. On the weekly chart, you have the 13 simple weekly moving average. And if I look at this level here, I see a rallying price, a basing candle, and a rally out, which took out the previous highs, most recent highs. So here's the level of interest. Let's look at volume for that candle. It's above average. We'll call that weekly buyers at, say, $35. Let's see if price can bounce off this level in the coming weeks to get to previous all-time highs at $47. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.